Hi all, welcome to Racsinfotech. We are going to conduct Oracle RAC DBA workshop or online training from 27th of April. So this is a weekend batch. I'm going to share all the details. So those who want to join for Oracle RAC DBA 19C, we're going to start with Oracle 19C RAC DBA online training. It is not offline. We are going to completely this online training starting from 27th of April. And it is completely on weekends, as I said, Saturday and Sunday, morning 7:30 a.m. IST to 11 a.m. IST. And if you can take into ET time zone, that is 10 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. Eastern time zone, ET. Okay. And we are going to conduct the demo session on April 23rd, day after tomorrow. We are going to conduct the demo session. It's 23rd April, 7:30 a.m. IST. Here is the Zoom invitation. I'm going to share this one in the description, video description. You can go ahead and then join this demo session. Okay, course duration, total 6 weekends, including Saturday and Sunday, 6 weekends. Started from 27th April and ending with the June 1st or 2nd, what I can say. Yeah, 1st and 2nd. 2nd June, we are going to end these sessions. Total 6 weekends. Per day, 3.5 hours we are going to take. Saturday, 3.5 hours. Sunday, 3.5 hours session. And coming to course fees, we're going to conduct like a very minimal charge, 13K INR or 156 USD. So this is the course fees, one-time fees. There is no installments or any other options. We don't have those kind of things. So this is one-time fees for the course. So what I mean, demo session we have scheduled on 23rd, and original sessions are regular sessions starting from 27th April, morning 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. IST. Okay, and the course content. Here I'm going to share it, and also if you want to download the course content, if you want to see the course content, you can go ahead and see the Untitled DBA blog. There I have posted the course content. You can directly click this way link. You can able to see the complete course content, whatever the topics we are going to cover. And those who are interested, they want to join this WhatsApp group. I'm going to share this in a video description so that you can register it. Once you have registered it, I'll give you the previous session videos before, like we are going to start on 27th. If you are going to register today or tomorrow, you can pay that amount and then you can register. The payment and other things, you can ping me on WhatsApp group. I'll share the payment mode and how you're going to pay it. I'll give you the previous sessions like Jan batch videos. I'm going to give you the access day 1 onwards. Once we start the session, so weekend batch, we are going to upload the sessions in Google Drive. This Google Drive access you will get 1 year, minimum 1 year. Okay, all the sessions day by day, whatever the session is completed, we are going to upload in a Google Drive. We are going to provide. Also, on top of that, in previous sessions, previous batch, those videos you are going to get it complete 40, almost 52 sessions is there. Those you will get it on day 1 itself. Once you register, you will get that access. Okay. This one, 1 year, as I said, 1 year validity used to have all the course material, softwares, and lab sessions, everything we are going to provide the content like this one. If you want to download the virtual machine box, you can download 2-node rack setups and everything. And if you want to download the course softwares, whatever the DB softwares, grid software, everything I'm going to provide you, you can download through the drive. You don't need to Google it, you don't need to get support and other things. Also, each and every topic activity guides, lab activity guides we are going to provide. You can download these things as well. Okay, you can download and then you can practice it, each and everything. And then we are going to upload like communications, interview questions and other things, and day by day, all the things I have posted on my YouTube channel, Racsinfotech. If you are not subscribed, you can subscribe the channel for communication, interview questions or knowledge related to the DBA. Here is my blog. If you want to go through the previous like architectures, Oracle Data Guard, ASM, performance tuning, Oracle Cloud related information, Oracle Apps DBA related information, WebLogic, middleware, everything you will get it. last couple of years I'm updating this blog. Okay, that's all about this course fees, content, how you need to join. Okay, you directly join to this WhatsApp group. If you are unable to get it, you can feel free to reach out to me. Contact number +919392633440. You can contact me, WhatsApp, call, message, direct calls also possible. And mailing address I'm going to give you. You can drop a mail, racsinfotech@gmail.com. You can reach out to me these numbers as well. If you are unable to join this WhatsApp group, you can reach out to me 9392633440. 9392633440. Okay, these are all the contacts. Okay, and what are all the things we are going to cover? Even we are going to cover those things as part of the demo session also. I'll quickly go ahead and then explain it. I'm going to show you the live labs, how we are going to perform. I'll show you from the start how to create a machine, what is machine, and what is the DBA role, what is the difference between core and RAC, and then how to install the RAC databases on new servers, how to create a new server or new machine also I'm going to show you clearly from machine, create a machine or add a machine. If you are already having, you can add it. If you want to create, click on new machine, create RAX1 machine, which drive you want to select the drive where you have a free space. Okay. Then which operating system we are going to install, Linux operating system. Then how much RAM you are going to provide and how many CPUs you want to provide, how much storage you want to provide. Then click next, finish it. So I have created the RAX machine. In this machine, I need to install the operating system, OS operating system, Linux I need to install, and grid software I need to install, 19C grid, and then DB software 19C I need to install. That's complete. So we are going to use 2-node rack. So this is 1 node. This is RAX machine, and RAX2 also we need to create RAX2 machine. There also we need to install operating system, grid, and database software. And then we need to enable the RAC configuration between these two. So the load, those who are trying to connect to the databases, they can either connect from the RAX1 machine or RAX2 machine. Okay. So load distribution, load failovers. If this node is down, users can able to access the database, which is stored in a shared everything architecture. Okay. For this, we are using ASM software or ASM storage. So users can able to access this one. How we are going to configuring each and everything from starting onwards, we are going to show it. Okay. That is one thing. And then, yeah, lab, you are going to get it completely. An introduction, why we need RAC, why we need to learn RAC, what is the advantages, what is the job market, and difference between the standalone and other things. And complete course, I'm going to like basic Linux operating system commands and how to install operating system and how to do the setup, network setup. In RAC, right, we are very, very important things is these two topics, public IP, VIP, scan IP, and private IP things. Okay, private IP. These are all the why we need to configure the private, why we need to configure the public IP, why we need virtual IP, and why we need scan IPs, and what is mean by the DNS server, why we need to configure all those things. We are going to clear cut information. Okay, cluster installation, RAC database installation, maintenance, how we are going to start, ASM configuration, and how we are going to manage the disk groups in ASM. Complete things, database configurations, ASM, complete ASM information, and cluster management, OCR, voting disks. What is the use of OCR file? What is the use of voting disks? So we are going to discuss these things as part of the demo. Okay. For this video, we are going to share that information, all these topics. Okay. Important thing is this one. We are going to share the interview questions, tips, and tricks. How we are going to face that interview. What are the questions we used to get? Lot of interview questions are repeated things, right? And also very simple question, but people can't able to answer it because they don't have a proper guidance, or they haven't prepared the which concept we need to prepare before going to the interview. Also, how to prepare your resume, what are the things you need to add in your resume to shortlist and get weight on your resume. Otherwise, you will not get the questions, right? You will not selected you will not get the entry calls. So these are all 21 topics we are going to cover in this course. 21 topics, complete course RAC. Also, we are going to add a couple of core DBA in multi-tenant architecture, non-multi-tenant architecture, differences, and cloning activity, patching, upgradations, everything we are going to see it. Okay. Even we can discuss some of the Golden Gate information as well. If few of them has been requested, Golden Gate or OEM related things, we will discuss those topics as well as part of that interview, how you need to answer and all. Okay, not only those things, not limited to that. If somebody wants to learn Oracle application DBA, if they want to learn more about that, we will discuss those things as well as part of this course. Okay, for taking complete training and all, we will guide you. And if you want to switch your career also, somebody working as a technical guy, somebody doesn't have the coding knowledge, if they want to learn Oracle DB, it's a very best opportunities, right? We don't need to write anything as part of Oracle RAC DBA training. You single line coding you are going to mention. Okay, whatever you are going to learn as part of the course, 70% of the work it is going to repeat it. Okay, and 30% only you need to look into it. That's where a lot of the opportunities as a DBA we have a lot of opportunities also. Okay, guys. So even compared to the market, I'm going to charge very less. I don't see it in outside market. You will get it, and also you are going to get complete knowledge. Even though I'm going to give the discount, but course-wise I'm going to give more valid and more validated things. Okay, guys. We are going to connect on April 23rd, 7:30 a.m. IST for demo session. If you need more information, if you want to connect with me, contact me on these numbers 9392634440, or you can contact me racsinfotech@gmail.com. Thank you so much.